My glad to see you. It gives me a chance to stop shoveling for a second. Ted Schick, Northern Minnesota. I'm going to be speaking this year at the GEAPS Leadership Conference in Portland, Oregon on June 14th. I'll be delivering a session called On the Frontlines of Leadership. And we're going to be talking about that frontline leader, just how important they are, the attributes and skills they need to have, and really how we can support them. It's going to be fantastic. I can't wait. And it's going to be June, so there'll be less shoveling. So I'll see you there.